All right, this is a really nice ring. Look at that red. So red is the rarest of colors, and you can see it's that really good red, that rose red, which we're always searching for. And it's a nice style ring. It's a nice modern setting as well. Set in sterling silver, it is 100% natural, this opal. It's not a doublet, not a triplet, not synthetic opal. Basically, the opal forms inside these large ironstone boulders. And we've just removed one side, leaving the opal attached to the other side, and in some cases like this, surrounded by some of the ironstone. Now we can resize this ring free of charge. All you need to do is on the checkout page, in the notes section, just let us know what size you want us to change it to, and we can do that for you free of charge. The item number is 22235. Look at that red, beautiful. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Happy to answer any questions over the phone, and we can also take payment over the phone. Make sure you do watch the video below where Kieran is wearing the ring or modeling the ring. It'll just help you have a really good idea of how it might actually look if it was actually on your finger. The phone number, or please rather, yeah, give us a call rather than me giving all different phone numbers from different countries. The phone number is just on the top of the website. Please feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Happy to answer any questions over the phone, and we can also take payment over the phone. Other than that, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add to Cart button. My name is Geoff Mcdonald. Thanks for watching.